What's going on? We're back. This is part 2 of the bash bar install slash making everything fit, work, headlights and all that. Yeah, we're at the back here. We got us a bit of a Callum side skirter right here. I'm just painting up for him real quick. Having a quick paint. The rattle can special, as you know. I can do a bit of a decent rattle. It's like fucking 30 degrees out here. We're pretty hot. But yeah, we'll go check the garage out, see what Jack's up to. Yeah, it's still out here. Yeah, we got Jack back here. He's back. He's doing the fucking bash bar installs. There we go. We got a fucking nail bite. No. The fourth bolt. Well, fourth nuts on here. One there. We got one there. One there. This bolt on the previous one we did this one, and this one here. Now we just made a new hole for this one and this one, just because the bash bar didn't go all the way through. She's looking like she's pretty fucking mint. She's looking like she's ready to hold a bumper, get a few taps. What's going on in the garage? So yeah, now we'll come back out here and I just need to film like this, G. Sure, Al, where are you going now? I can see you, Al. No. But now I'll set up a little time lapse on this and we'll get it going. Ready, good. Ready, good. Oh, fuck.
Fucking go sit in the meeting.
Oh, hey. How long?
I don't know.
Oh, I just have a sleep, eh? Fuck. Not too bad for a rattle can, eh, homies? Which is pretty good. Still gotta give it a bit of a buff and polish after this, but I mean for like 60 bucks worth of spray paint, you can't really complain. Just out here. Yeah, he's loving it. Got the dragons fucking goodness on the wheels. Jesus, you're bleeding, mate. You're bleeding out. Back up here. So we're gonna give this a bit of a paint up. Bit of a sandy, nah, maybe not even a sand. Might just straight paint it. Cause fuck. Moving on to the lights now. We've got a bracket. Well, we're just gonna do a little tack here, just so we can have a little mounting point for the light. And we got this one here, but on the other light it doesn't have this thing, so I'm gonna start from the outsides first and work our way in. Looks like she should be pretty good. How's that with the light in there, eh? Oh, and my mean paint job. Looking mint, looking like she's fresh out of the booth over here. It's got the first light bracket tacked in. It's actually buzzy looking at this thing with lights. I haven't seen it before. A bit of a mysterious thing to look at for me, but we'll turn around. We got lights. Just made this bracket just in here. Just did one tack down to the bash bar, as you can see right there. Just gonna carry on and yeah, get the second light in over there, and hopefully the grill is gonna bridge this gappy right here and we should be sweet. Then after that, yeah, we'll do the tacks and then yeah, take the bumper back off and fully weld the whole thing. Get it looking A1 mint fresh. Bloody good. This is down at the Bridgestone here, picking up some Johnnies. Get these are roll on over.
Yeah,
bro.
Function sorted. Awesome, bro.
You ain't either seen the 13 like this before, homies. It's actually like weird. I can't even look at it properly. But now we're just gonna do, we just did the outside brackets. Got them tacked in there, looking all good. So yeah, basically what we're gonna do now, we're gonna bring one from inside here, and it's just gonna come out just like an L bracket, so gonna sit like that. come here, so we mount it there. This fucking stupid light, it's broken, so we're just gonna copy the exact bracket from here, make it over here, and then we'll just jimmy something up from here until I get like some bricks or something, which will look fucking sick. But I mean, drift car, we don't need the bricks now. Double projectors do the trick. Yeah, she looking like she fit it.
Did I spot it?
Yeah, that's right there. She looking fucking mint. Tack her up, we good to go. Coming in now. I'm just gonna make, because the other one's obviously got this bracket here. Doesn't have this bracket here. So yeah, we've mounted the fucking inside headlight point at the same spot. So I'm just gonna bend this like another L bracket and just get it going from here. Do a little bend right here where you see the finger. And yeah, do a little L bracket. Nut and bolt there, maybe even a couple cable ties. Should do the trick. Should be looking fancy, looking like a show car. We out here in the bush with the boys. Sunny's on, raining, you already know. It's going on a bit of a mush. Found us a track, we're gonna see where it takes us. 100 likes for left, 9,000 right off. 9,000, yo, chart. Oh no, we got a gravel. We got some gravel. Oh, fuck. Oh shit. We got Caden Grills back here with Cam Grills and Bear Boil Up Boom. Little mush, little mush. Oh, here we have the wild bunny farm. As you can see, we got some mountain ranges. We got some snowy mountains in there. We got some bush. Nah, still no success of finding the top. Top's up there. We're here. So we continued. We didn't know where to go, so we came 5 meters. Boom! Arrow, let's go. Up here. This is us. Let's go. Oh shh. Oh, bro, this is a bad one. Follow the arrows, boys. Oh, look up there.
Are we experts, are we not?
Get up this one. Maybe off to. Oh, up there, boys. Oh. Oh. Oh.
You can do it too. Grab the stick. Grab the stick.
Whoa. You see? Yeah, it's the bush. So shit. It's taking it out of me. This damn working on cars is a bit too easy. But getting me some fucking energy from the walks. Some long distance energy. Ruthless. No way. We see the light. But we just found us a Tarzan rope swing. Look at this. What the